Hi everyone, in this video we are going to look at the phonic sounds of the alphabet using the book Reading Made Easy. The phonic sounds of the alphabet is not the same thing as the name of the letters of the alphabet, but in this case we shall be looking at the sounds, not the names. Without wasting time, let's get started. A as in apple, B as in bag, K as in cat, D as in dog, E as in egg, F as in fish, G as in goat, H as in hen, E as in ink, G as in jug, K as in kettle, L as in leg, M as in man, N as in net, O as in orange, P as in pencil, Q as in queen, R as in rat, C as in sun, T as in tap, O as in up. In this particular one, let's take note, letter U in the phonic sounds for the beginners, letter U will sound as O, as we have an umbrella, not U or U. So take note of that. O as in up, V as in van, W as in window, X as in box. So take note of these two. Letter X will sound X, does not exist at the beginning of any word. We are not saying letter X doesn't begin as the first letter of any word, but with the sound X, we don't have it at the beginning. You can have letter X at the beginning, but not with sound X at the beginning. And therefore, we use box as the last sound in the word box. Y as in yam, Z as in zip, and this is the last letter of the English alphabet with the sound Z as in zip. Let's go over this one more time and then we call it a day for today. So the phonic sounds of the alphabet: A as in apple, B as in bag, K as in cat, D as in dog, E as in egg, F as in fish, G as in goat, H as in hen, E as in ink, G as in jug, K as in kettle, L as in leg, M as in man, N as in net, O as in orange, P as in pencil, Q as in queen, R as in rat, C as in sun, T as in tap, O as in up, V as in van, W as in window, X as in box, Y as in yam, Z as in zip. Thank you very much.